To begin, I'm going to show you how to make what's called a slip knot. The first way you can do this is to cross one end of the yarn over to the other. The yarn that's connected to the ball should be on top. Drawing the yarn connected to the ball through that loop we just made, we form another loop and we pull it tight. We slip this loop onto our crochet hook, and using the end connected to the ball, we pull it tight. Now, another way we can make a slip knot is to wrap the yarn around our index finger to form an X. Using the top right portion of the X, we pull up a loop and bring the other end underneath and through. Again, we'll place this loop on our hook and pull it tight. Try both ways and see which one works best for you. The part of the yarn that is not connected to the ball, this end is called the tail. The other end, the end that is connected to the ball, is called the working yarn. Try and remember these terms for later. Next, I'll show you how to hold a hook. There are two different ways we can do this. The first way is called a pencil hold. Call it this because you hold it like you're using a pencil. The second way you can hold it is like a knife. This is called the knife hold because it looks like you're holding a knife. Both of these ways work. See which one is more comfortable for you to use. So, with your right hand you'll hold the hook. With your left hand, you want to wrap the working yarn around your index finger, like this. This will help you maintain tension when you crochet. With your thumb and middle finger, I like to pinch the end of the tail to have a good grip on the project. Next, I'll show you how to make the chain stitch. This is done by placing the working yarn behind your crochet hook, bringing it over to form a loop, and pulling it through the loop that's on your hook. Every time you do this, this is called a chain stitch. If your yarn falls off your hook, no worries, just bring your hook back into the last loop you can find. Continue this by yarning over and pulling it through our loop on the hook. Whenever you run out of yarn on your index finger, you will have to wrap up some more. Do this as many times as needed to maintain proper tension. Continue making chain stitches. Remember, you make a chain stitch by yarning over and pulling through the loop on your hook. You're going to want to continue making chain stitches until the length of all your stitches reaches 20 inches. I've now chained until my chain measures 20 inches long. The next step is to count how many chains we've made. Now, you want to lay your chain flat on the table. You'll begin to notice that there's a series of little V's. Each of these V's counts as a chain. We will count each of these V's to determine how many chains we have on our hook. Now let's start at the beginning of our project and count these chains together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. There are 48 chains on my hook. Depending on how tightly you crochet, you may have a different amount of chains than I do. Write it down, you'll need to know it later.